To install the PS5 Stand in horizontal mode, first locate the series of shape at the back. Then take the stand and make sure it is oriented that way. Not like this, like that. Then align each end of the stand with the shape and press. That's all. The support is held in place only by pressure. And there you go. You can now place your PlayStation horizontally. To install the PS5 Stand in vertical mode, first remove the small cap located below the console. You'll see a hole for the screw that we will use very soon. Then take the stand and turn it counterclockwise. You'll see underneath a compartment in which is stored a screw. Take it. The small hole you see inside is made to store the cap that you remove at the very beginning. Turn the PlayStation upside down and place the stand on it so that the holes are facing each other, so that you can screw the stand into the PS5. If you don't have the luxury to have a screwdriver not too far, a coin will do the job just fine. Tight it well, but not too much either. And there you are. You can finally put your PlayStation on the right side. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!